Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create random effect using Pucker and Bloat Object Blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 500 by 500 dimensions using ellipse. Align vertically and horizontally center, as shown. Select circle and go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Select Pucker and Bloat. Use Bloat percentage equals 90%. Select Object. Copy and paste here. Rotate 45 degrees angle. And change the stroke color, as shown. Select both and go to Object, Blend, Make. Select both and go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Use specified steps to 50, as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.